Alrighty everyone, welcome back to Automotive Anatomy. So today we're at the Brekkie Car Club here in Rodeo 39. As you guys can see, I got here a little bit earlier because I want to make sure I get some of you guys rolling in, especially through that speed bump. I don't know, maybe I'm weird, but I like the way cars go sideways. I don't know, that's my thing. But as you can see, the theme is JDM, so there's a lot of Japanese cars already rolling up, showing up. So it should be a fun time. Event doesn't start till about an hour, but so it should be a pretty fun time. And yeah, I'll get some of you guys rolling in. Look at that hard body though. Let's go. Looks so good. But yeah, a lot of clean cars already, and I suspect there's gonna be a lot of cars. R35 looking pretty minty. Bass 2000 looks really nice, very simplistic with the bars. R32, really nice set of clean cars, man. Nice variety for sure. But yeah, we'll get some of you guys rolling in, just because I like the way cars sound and look rolling in. There's no major big science to it. It's FL5, beautiful wheels. Those seem to be like the fun cars, like nice entry-level cars right now. The BRZs, the FRSs still. There's so much aftermarket support that they're attracting the youth. So, and they look good. I think they look good. I mean, this car looks really aggressive. Are they fast from right off the box? I think they're meant for turns, not necessarily straightaways, and that's where the fun is. So yes, they're fast for what they are. It's almost like how we turn these DAs and DVs into, you know, what they are now, but they're really just corner boxes. So super dope. Speaking of which, I will be coming out with new merch, and hopefully you guys can catch on that. But let me get some of you guys rolling in, and yeah, it should be for a fun time. Alrighty guys, let's get the coverage started. Hopefully you guys can hear me with the music in the background. If I get copyrighted, then I get copyrighted. My biggest issue is not about the monetization. It's just YouTube's acting weird, man. If they hear something about, like, I don't know, whatever that means, that they violated their policy, and if it was like something that I know, like, legitimate, but sometimes a song violates the policy, and I just don't want to get you know, flagged for stuff I didn't do or say. So anyways, big shout out to James, Dave, and Hung. Dude, I'm telling you, Hung has such a cool energy to him. Let me get past them really quick. So big shout out to you, Hung. Definitely be reaching out to you, man. Let's do a podcast. I think it'd be cool. People would definitely appreciate what you have to say. You can talk about a little bit of your plans for the cars. You got yourself a red EG VX, and it's super clean. And yeah, you know, having the discussion with Hung, it definitely it got me thinking a lot. And what I mean by that is, when you're okay with letting go of something so pristine and hard to rebuild, I would say hard to, you know, create again. It is a big adult move, like you mentioned. It is very maturing. It is understanding that there's bigger things in the horizon, and for that reason, you know, big shout out to you. You know, you share some of the cars that you might be interested in getting. I approve of all of them for sure, because as a car dude, I myself wish I could get all of those cars that we discussed, and I know you will do it. Like I've said, I'm not just trying to blow smoke up, you know, to say that everything that you guys have done at Doghouse has been amazing, and you guys continue to grow, and I really appreciate that. I think that's the next thing for us to continue to look to what the people in the car community are doing, and, you know, in a way mimic it. And by that I mean is continue to build on things that we want to do. I think pursuing that dream of pursuing to build certain cars a certain way, not caring what other people have to say. So now always pushing or following the trend of the newest the better. Sometimes just going back to your roots and taking a step back, I think, goes a long way. And so that's kind of what I gather from this conversation, man. I can't wait to see what you have going on. I think you're like I said, every time you discuss or you hang out with Hung, you're gonna get a laugh, you're gonna get motivated, you get that energy. You just get that energy, to be honest with you. And so I really mean that, man. Can't wait to see what you end up doing with your Red EG, and then whatever you end up doing with the other cars that you're interested in getting, because you're gonna nail it. Damn, look at this S13, so freaking nice. Black with I don't know what, satin blue maybe color wheels. Such a nice car, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. For ladies, eh? With the Rigas, if I'm not mistaken. And dun dun dun. So yeah, definitely a big turnout. I think the theme was JDM only, if I'm not mistaken. I know there's gonna be another meet next month, JDM versus Euro, so that should be fun as well. MRS, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now it has a Lotus, so is that the Lotus engine? So that would be the 2cc. Oh my bad, the 2cc I think.
Realistically, Waddle bar.
Very nice. A lot of clean cars showed up. We've seen this Nissan at various events. I really like the gutted look. Very nice setup. So yeah, I mean, I wholeheartedly mean it, man. Just talking to Hung, I'm like, okay, cool. Like, I'm inspired to continue to just work hard, and I know that, you know, we all have different goals in life, and so not one person is gonna, you know, fully share the same goals as somebody else. But I definitely do like the idea of like just a growth mindset, man. Hang out with people that inspire you. I don't know, just like, I'm stoked. Oh, these are nice wheels. They're 4x114 as well. I almost bought some a long time ago. They were decent. I mean, the only thing I didn't like, it was a stagger setup, and I wanted a square setup. So two of the wheels had really good specs, the other ones not so much. And I was like, plus they were really beat up, so they for sure needed rebuilding. And I was like, I don't think I'm gonna go buy those. But yeah, we saw this EG right here, the green one, come through with the dark gray TEs, and man, looks beautiful. Also saw the DA with the steering wheel. I just pay attention to it way after. I'll go and check it out in a little bit. Sorry you guys can't hear me in the background. Man, the music is killing me. But it is what it is. 5-lug TE spoons. I think it's K, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, a shifter, huh? Maybe B. S2000 cluster. Beautiful, beautiful cage, or half roll bar, I should say. Very nice. It reminded me of our buddy from he moved to Texas, but I was like, man, is he back from Texas? Very cool. Look at that tiny little steering wheel. I love it. 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 Love the steering wheel. Love the car. Very clean DA. I don't think I've seen this one around. Rocking the rival machine Honda throwback logo. So definitely a nice car. I know it's not a Honda, but I love the Lotus at least. I mean, there's just something about these cars, man. They're slow on paper, but they're just so good. Their driver's car, they're already light. These guys took out the passenger seat already, so even better, you know? It's amazing, amazing, amazing. Oh, the little cat. Did I get that shot? I did get that shot. Dope. Hopefully the owner doesn't mind. Let me see. See if you guys can see that. Oh, you guys can't see that. It's too much reflection. It's a little cat there. But yeah. As we continue with the coverage. Oh, look at that one. Oh, is that Royce? That's his name. Might be wrong. Definitely starting to get a little bit more packed. It seemed like a little slow at first, but it's definitely picked up. Definitely more and more cars are coming through, so that's always fun. And a couple Lexuses here. The CD7 I hadn't seen, I mean, ever, I think. And all of a sudden I keep popping in all the different meets and I'm loving it. I love the mirrors. I think that was an addition from last time. I don't think I remember seeing them, but maybe I didn't pay attention. Love the mirrors, love the black with the red. I love his steel floor lug. Everything about this car. It's nice. Leather, still manual, like the OEM manual shift booth and things like that. SIR rear wing. Very, very clean. Yeah, I gotta put on the front lip and the front stuff. I was thinking about my own car, putting the front lip. I put the side skirts already and it looks nice, but it definitely needs the front lip, so that way it complements the look and it just gives it more of a cohesive look and it doesn't look really out of place. But I think it looks much better than just missing the side skirt like it was before. Nice. Came to see this EG here. Look at this, so pretty. This thing is bad. Nice car, man. Oh, sorry. Whew. Let me let them park. Some people get nervous when you record them while they're parking. So I'll let them park. I'll come back and showcase his car. So again, the theme was JDM, so it's nice to see some Euros come out. Very cool. A little cappuccino there. Oh, nice. Nicely built. I really like the feeling of flat six, or flat motor, I should say, not a flat six. A flat motor, center of gravity definitely feels different. I don't know the Subarus don't like power, but I like the way they feel. Center of gravity is just a little different. Talking about something different, 996 right here, turbo. Very nice. They've been growing on me a lot. Not gonna lie, they've been growing me a lot. They look great. It's Boost this K-series. Okay, nice. I don't think I've seen this car before. I don't think I've seen it. Wow, thing's clean, man. The beefy tire setup. Ooh. Damn, that thing is nice. Very nice. Very, very cool. Nice setup. Definitely gotta show love to Chew on this beautiful NSX. Look at that. Ooh, papa. So freaking good. Very nice. Very, very nice. I love this car. So clean. Nice carbon fiber accents to it, so it doesn't take away. And the yellow is the move, man. Yellow is definitely the move. I think it's beautiful. Then these two cars came in rolling together. Absolutely crazy. I was talking to James about this one being fiberglass and bonded. It's scary to drive that thing, but this is bad, man. This is super rad. Mugen covers. Very nice. Look at this. Shoot, thing is beautiful. God damn. Wow, thing is rad, man. Thing is beautiful.
Like the downpipe.
Super rad. Check out the fiberglass RX-7 Veil side, if I'm not mistaken. It's insane. Insane for sure. Parking lot is definitely getting full, as we had suspected. This is a clean car. Very nice. Red Recaro seats. Very clean. I really like the black. Very nice. Very, very clean. So the car came in, the sedan. I think it was right-hand drive, if I'm not mistaken. I got him on the roll-in. No, I'm mistaken. I thought it was right-hand drive. But very nice. Say our bumpers. Very nice. Nothing like it's just nice sedan. Nice bucket. It's clean, simple. It's like great for like daily driving issues, you know?
Which one? The blue one? You sell it? Yeah.
Very nice. Well, I think we're gonna cut our coverage here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Big shout out to Brekkie again. You guys do an amazing job just hosting here at Rodeo 39. Great variety of cars always come out, and yeah, man, super excited, super fun time, and more cars keep on coming. Gonna stick around a little bit more just to take pictures, but yeah, man, definitely a fun time here. So shout out to all of you guys. I know it's always a headache with local businesses, just because you guys attract a lot of people, and I get it. Businesses need to have their own parking space, but I'm glad that you guys are still hosting and not giving up, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Okay, so I lied. One more car. But I mean, can you blame me? This thing is freaking mint. Jeez. I definitely lied. Yes, this is how we're gonna finish the coverage. Beautiful, beautiful EG. If I'm not mistaken, this is Royce, or am I tripping? Oh, no, I'm tripping. That's the reason I recognize this car. If I'm not mistaken, this is the car that we saw at Classics in Anaheim. Yes. That's why. I was thinking about Royce from, I think he's from out of state. Yes, I remember now. I remembers now. Absolutely killer setup, man. I love your car. Yeah, no better way to finish the vlog with this. Yes, I remember now. All right, peace out, everyone. Thank you for the love and the support. We'll finish it out with this beautiful EG.